I just realized I didn't film an official intro, so here I am with my gloves already on. But what's up? My name's Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. That's all I've got to say here, so I'm gonna go on with past me who was not gloved. Okay, I just filmed the video where I touched up my roots, and I also did a bleach bath on my ends to try to get rid of that strawberry leopard. It took the green out, the money color pretty well. Even that is still like just barely there, but what was it? The grateful shade? Oh my gosh. It doesn't want to go anywhere. I debated whether I should use color oops for it, but then I decided not to. My hair's looking all crazy right now because if you didn't see last week's video, I just bleached it. I didn't like condition or anything. My hair dye is going to be my conditioner for today. And what I'm going to be using is Strawberry Leopard Euphoric Pink and mixed with Lime Crime Unicorn Hair in Bunny. And I'm probably going to add these together and then also dilute it with some conditioner. I'm going to be using the High Provac Extremely Damaged Hair Repair. And yeah, I'm going to just do that. So I'm going to get to mixing these and I will show you what it kind of looks like. Oh, my prediction is that it's going to turn these blue bits probably like some shade of purple. Most likely. I don't think it's going to actually cover it, but I think it'll look nice regardless. All right, I'm actually also going to put into the mix some Arctic Fox Rosé and Strawberry Leopard Meiji Blush. The thing is, I don't want it to be too dark because I do want it to fade pretty quickly. Like that's kind of my MO with this look, just to give it some conditioning, but also give it some color at the same time. And then whenever it's time to re-bleach my roots, when they grow out a little bit, it'll be safer. I don't know. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone else, but it makes sense in my head, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so here is the mixture I came up with. Very bubblegum pink, very light. Hopefully it won't be too dark. Like I said, I want it to fade pretty quickly so that I can just touch up my roots, and hopefully the pink will be complementary to this. I was going to do something totally different, but because this blue is still here, I kind of expected it to actually go away. But here we are. So I think the pink will make it look nicer as it keeps growing out, and I give my hair a little bit of time to recoup from the bleaching before I put it through anything else. Hopefully that made sense. This is actually my last pair of gloves. I'm going to need to order some more. Let's get started. Also, this dye is very liquidous. It's very hard to keep on my brush. I've dropped 2 big splotches already. Oh well. Okay, here it is. I definitely think there's gonna be some spots turning orange-y, like pastel orange. I literally look like an Easter egg. Maybe I should have waited to do something like this around Easter time. Oh well. Anyway, I'm gonna sit and wait for about an hour and come back afterwards after I've rinsed this in ice cold water and like dried it, styled it. Also, I want to know what y'all think about my hair. What I want to know, don't tell me you hate it short because it's already short. Whatever. Nothing I can do about that now. So, is it better if I like push it back or kind of like flip it to the front, kind of like emo style? You know what I mean? Because I can't decide what looks better. I kind of like them both, but I'm just curious what the general public thinks about it. I don't know how I'm going to style it when I come back. Maybe I'll kind of do both and let y'all tell me what you think then. That probably would make more sense. But anyway, I'll be right back. All right, here we are. Rinsed but not dried. How we looking? Ooh, very orange at the roots. Alright, I'm gonna get to blow drying. I'm gonna go ahead and film it just because I think it's like really satisfying to see my hair blow dried, especially short hair because it doesn't even like really take that long. So I don't know, I just like how it looks. Okay, finished results. Not too bad. My hair's kind of poofy with the blow drying, but it's also still slightly damp back here, but I'm tired of holding my arm up. Anyway, let me know what you think as far as my hair. Is it better pushed back? Or, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless. Oh, you know what I just realized? This is probably going to go up end of January, beginning of February, so we'll just call it a Valentine's look. Valentine's look, let's go with that.